Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ka accentuate makeup and hair academy kala Pynlong ya ka workshop ka ba ars ngi lenter halor ka jingpen itnat ya usnyo but Pynbhabriew na ka benta ki ba Shah set hapo district jail Shillong ya kani ka program la Pynlong lingba ka jingtrai lang bat ka office jong ka deputy commissioner ka East Khasi Hills district bat ka Meghalaya State Skill Development Society ka East Khasi Hills district Shillong ha kani ka workshop la ya don lang da ka kong Rosetta Mary Kurba IAS ka deputy commissioner ka East Khasi Hills ka balapan pau ka jingkemen halor kani ka workshop ya ka jingelang la penya do ba badap hanyota ubalong u educator but u founder jong ka accentuate academy ringkat bat ka kanhon jong u ka thong jong kani ka program ka long ban ailad ikibasa hapo jail bakinyo ay ka jinghikai ka bakarpang bat ki bala ban penmentoy yaki kani ka workshop ka ay jinghikai kumnu ban pen itanat ya kadur bat penbhai ki sne do hagikti bat kejat uba hanyota bat ka kanhon jong u kila pen shairu ba kini ki saptre kila ban plelat yaki hadin habot hado live hongut ki kan thei bat shin rang kilai shim benta ha ka te ka program
Idan ka taga jinsi iwan hamle kum kanam kume wan hamle kum badisi ka jinsi ko jana ka bang ka banim kum ni labo ni te ko lupa ko GM jeni kum ke banim no laban niya bakla hano kublay balakan ma ni ibre ni sinjak te ban ma ibre ibre ta kublay balakan ma te kato kinang ina na perkat yatan tinggal ke jenis kami sendiri tak dalam kumno nang ka bedero sa kamay ni ko ado yung kilang kami ban dakila naik nang ni lalu tu naik nang kamay lay na marbang indang pada kiri para cuti ban mana din bodo illa ban ay sini ki illa ban ke training bagyo ni na ni kailang nyumte te banja future apa kaplan ka ng bahe ni jata ibabit tilang na apan ki kumay kana iba jeans kamba siguro jet ka long ke industry ni ladan ni payak ta ka pot ban long kung ka then di mapi badang hang niru la ta un po ki di we jata ban long di parlor jong fi ne kumta ijaka ba kin trekam bat ki ma ki ba ki ni lang ni la kan di shalan saba bat umjo rula dadon kino di bakwaban ya mak yuki kinwan bandak la na do kata kumbalang di bada berkat nyawan di bada so la dadon ko function la kan wan shapi maybe a day kan ka sampai ke tahu mo te tamki kai I could be kickbox of the training jump kasi kan kira yuki.
It's a privilege and an honor for the district prison and correction home today because and then thanks to Bata also because of his initiative, hard work, and his down to earth personality that you want to come to the jail and help the inmates to empower them when they are released from the jail. So it's quite a wonderful job, and I would really thank you. And then, thank you, madam, for a very short period, not in 5 minutes, we invited you for this program, and you said yes, in spite of a heavy schedule and a busy schedule, ma'am, because the flight from 10 o'clock till, I don't know what time, ma'am, you're busy traveling here and there for functions and all of that, but still you spare your valuable time for us and for the jail officers, the jail staff, and for the jail inmates, ma'am. It's quite a privilege and honor for all of us. So we hope that you will always help us, you'll always be by our side, and always guide us and help us, ma'am. But in so many aspects, ma'am, because the jail still needs the help of the district administration, the government, because we have lots of things, ma'am, to offer to the outside world. But, ma'am, we are stuck. Because why? Because we don't have any funds, we don't have any channel. Yeah, for the last 4-5 years, we have got one from SDSS. Through them, they have grouped the funds through Bethany Society, through WISE. And yeah, ma'am, we're doing a good job. All these 13 nursing machines have been provided from SDSS. So, ma'am, but ma'am, we lack instructor. Yeah, we have got one craft instructor, but one craft instructor, ma'am, we still have got lots of inmates, we still have lots of work to do, ma'am. So we need, ma'am, people to come to jail like NGOs to tap to talent, these hidden talents, ma'am, inside. There are so many, males, females, so many hidden talents, ma'am. So we need good people, experienced people, ma'am, skilled people to come to the jail to tap these talents, ma'am. And you will see the wonders, ma'am. Because all through these years, my service, my career in the jail, ma'am, I've seen these wonderful talents, ma'am. Really, we have, ma'am, we have till date, ma'am, we haven't been able to expose much to the outside world because we don't have that kind of channel now on avenues, ma'am, to portray these kind of talents, ma'am. But I just hope, ma'am, with you being here with us today, ma'am, I think, ma'am, we will go to all the inmates of district prison, not only to district prison Shillong, ma'am, but to all the 5 jails in the area, ma'am. With this this few words, ma'am, once again I will say thank you, ma'am, for being with us today. Thank you, ma'am, EDM, thank you, ma'am, DSWO, and thanks, Badab, and to all the girls. I hope you'll have a wonderful time because we all the same, we are one, and always be free to walk with them. You walk with passion, you walk, most of all, you walk with love. All these girls, if you have got love with you, then you will be able to teach them. Really, always be, you have to open up yourself. Don't say that I'm coming to the jail, it's a strange place. It's not a strange place, it's a wonderful place. It's an adventure. You're so lucky that we have got a DC who allow you to come and meet the inmates. Otherwise, jail is a high security area in which it's very difficult even to come to the jail also. You can't enter the jail. But now you've got the privilege to walk with them, to be with them, and to feel them, and you can even, counseling them, you can help them, not only, in hairstyling, but you try to change the heart also. You make up the heart also. Because what deep inside is much more important than the outside. So,